Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. Today's topic is soft, powerful, and deeply emotional. How to make her feel safe with you. Not protected, not impressed, not chased, but safe. Emotional safety is what makes a woman open her heart without fear. It's what makes her stop overthinking and start trusting. A woman who feels safe doesn't pretend, doesn't hold back, and doesn't stay guarded. She relaxes into herself. This video isn't about big gestures or dramatic words. It's about the quiet things that make her nervous system calm. If you want a woman to choose you emotionally, this matters more than anything else. Let's get into it. 1. Be consistent, not confusing. Consistency makes her feel calm in a world that already overwhelms her. When your words and actions match, she doesn't feel the need to question you. You don't disappear randomly or switch your energy without explanation. She knows what version of you she's getting. That predictability feels comforting, not boring. It tells her she doesn't need to stay alert emotionally. Even small check-ins create stability. She notices when effort doesn't come and go. Consistency quietly builds trust. When you don't love bomb and then pull away, her guard lowers naturally. She doesn't feel like she has to chase clarity. Your steady presence makes her feel grounded. She isn't guessing where she stands. That emotional certainty helps her relax. She feels respected instead of tested. Consistency shows maturity without saying a word. It makes her feel chosen in a calm way, and calm love feels safe. Over time, she starts associating you with peace. Your presence stops feeling unpredictable. She becomes softer around you. She opens up more naturally. Safety grows without force. Trust settles in quietly, and that's when emotional closeness begins. 2. Listen without judging or fixing. When she talks, she doesn't always want solutions. She wants to feel heard. Listening without interrupting makes her feel respected. You don't minimize her emotions or rush her words. Your patience makes space for honesty. Even silence can feel comforting when it's safe. She notices when you're fully present. That presence matters more than advice. It tells her her feelings are valid. When you don't correct her emotions, she relaxes. She doesn't feel embarrassed for being sensitive. You let her express without fear of criticism. That freedom feels rare to her. She trusts you more with time. Listening becomes a form of care. It shows emotional intelligence, and that creates safety. Eventually, she opens up deeper. She shares thoughts she hides from others. She trusts your reactions. Emotional safety grows quietly, and connection deepens naturally. 3. Respect her boundaries without making her feel guilty. Respecting her boundaries tells her you value her comfort over your ego. When she says no, hesitates, or needs space, you don't pressure her. You don't guilt trip her or act distant. That response makes her feel emotionally safe. She doesn't fear disappointing you. She feels respected instead of controlled. Boundaries become trust builders, not barriers. She notices how gently you handle her limits. That gentleness matters deeply. When you don't push for more than she's ready for, her nervous system relaxes. She doesn't feel rushed emotionally or physically. You let connection grow at her pace. That patience feels rare and reassuring. She starts trusting your intentions. She doesn't feel like affection has conditions. Respect becomes attractive, and safety grows naturally. Over time, she becomes more open by choice. She shares more because she feels secure. She knows her comfort matters to you. That creates emotional intimacy. Trust strengthens quietly, and her heart feels protected with you. 4. Be emotionally predictable, not reactive. Emotional predictability makes her feel steady around you. When you don't explode, shut down, or withdraw suddenly, she feels calm. She doesn't fear saying the wrong thing. Your reactions stay balanced even during tension. That consistency makes her feel safe expressing herself. She doesn't walk on eggshells. Emotional stability feels grounding to her. She trusts that conflict won't turn into chaos. That trust matters deeply. When you respond instead of react, she feels respected. You don't make her emotions feel dangerous. You don't punish vulnerability. That allows honesty to exist. She feels secure being real with you. Emotional predictability builds reliability. She knows she won't be met with unpredictability. That reduces anxiety, and safety grows quietly. Over time, she relaxes emotionally. She doesn't brace herself around you. She trusts your emotional maturity. That trust deepens connection. She feels held, not threatened, and emotional safety becomes your bond. Number 5, validate her feelings, even when you don't understand them. Validation doesn't mean agreement, it means acknowledgement. When you validate her feelings, she feels seen. You don't dismiss her emotions as too much. You don't tell her to calm down. You let her feel what she feels. That acceptance feels incredibly safe. She doesn't feel broken or dramatic. She feels human. And that matters. When you say things like, "I get why you'd feel that way," her guard softens. She feels understood even without explanation. You don't invalidate her experience. That builds emotional trust. She feels supported instead of judged. Validation reassures her heart. It tells her she's safe to be real. And real connection grows there. Over time, she shares more openly. She doesn't hide her emotions. She trusts your reactions. Emotional closeness deepens. Safety becomes emotional intimacy, and trust becomes natural. 6. Create calm, not anxiety in her presence. The way she feels after being with you matters more than what you say. If she feels calm, safe, and emotionally lighter, she'll crave your presence. You don't create emotional highs followed by confusion. You offer steadiness. Your energy feels peaceful. She associates you with emotional rest. That calm becomes addictive. Safety lives in that calm. When you don't play games, her mind relaxes. She doesn't overthink interactions. She feels emotionally settled. Your presence lowers her stress. She feels accepted as she is. Calm love feels secure, and security feels safe. Over time, she chooses you emotionally, not because of excitement, but because of peace. She feels safe being herself. That's when attachment deepens. And that's when love grows quietly. Making her feel safe isn't about grand gestures or perfect words. It's about emotional steadiness, respect, and quiet consistency. Safety is built when she doesn't have to question your intentions, when she doesn't feel rushed, judged, or emotionally tested. A woman who feels safe doesn't run, doesn't overthink, and doesn't hide parts of herself. She opens up naturally. She softens without fear. Emotional safety is what turns attraction into attachment. If you can offer her peace instead of confusion, calm instead of chaos, and reassurance instead of doubt, she will choose you emotionally. Again and again. Because safety is rare, and when someone feels safe, they stay. If this video resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, what makes you feel emotionally safe with someone? Let's build a space where softness is strength,